In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display image in Excel. To begin, open your Excel workbook and look at the worksheet where you want the image to appear. The first thing you will do is click the cell A1. This is the top left cell in most default layouts, so it is a great starting point for placing a graphic. When you click A1, notice that the cell highlight moves to that exact spot. Keeping your focus on cell A1 helps you anchor your image to the area you intend to build your layout around. Next, once cell A1 is selected, you will move your attention to the top ribbon menu. The ribbon is the strip of tabs and tools across the top of Excel. On that ribbon, click the Insert tab. This tab contains options related to adding new content such as images, shapes, and charts. After you click Insert, the ribbon will refresh and show all the insertion tools you need. Now that you are on the Insert tab, you will select the option called Pictures. This is the feature that allows you to add an image file from your computer or device. Take a moment to confirm you are clicking the Pictures choice and not something else like Online Pictures, depending on what your version of Excel shows. After you click Pictures, Excel will open a menu or a small set of options that tell you how you want to bring in the image. After selecting Pictures, you will choose the option that says This device. This tells Excel to look for the image stored locally on your computer. This step matters because it ensures Excel will browse your files directly, rather than searching the web or using a cloud source. Once you click This device, a file selection window should appear. Now you are ready to import the photo. In the File Selection window, browse to find the image file you want to display in Excel. Look through your folders such as Pictures, Desktop, or wherever you saved the photo. When you locate the correct image, click the photo once so it becomes selected. This confirms you have highlighted the right file before you import it. Finally, you will import the photo into the worksheet. In the File window, click the Import button to bring the selected image into Excel. After you click Import, you should see the picture appear on your sheet. Depending on your Excel version, it may be placed near the selected cell or in a default location that you can then adjust. If the image appears slightly off, do not worry. You can usually drag it to the area you want, and you can also resize it by using the sizing handles around the image. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.